Want to stop your iPhone from vibrating whenever you get a notification, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off vibration on iPhone. Now let's get started. To turn off vibration on iPhone, open your settings. Select Sounds and Haptics. Then tap Haptics. Here you can choose when you want vibration to be active. If you don't want your device vibrating at all, tap Never Play. Once you've changed this setting, your iPhone won't vibrate when you get notifications or calls. That's all it takes to turn off vibration on iPhone. Want to change your iPhone ringtone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.